Hey guys, got a special treat for you all this weekend. We are going to be doing a halibut fish fry. These are wild caught halibut that we had on our last trip to Alaska, and we're going to be using a batter that is made and sold in Soldotna, Alaska, just right down the road from where we're fishing. So 100% Alaskan fish fry. I can't wait. Uh, in the meantime, here's some photos and a video of our last trip. Hope you guys enjoy it, and see you on the weekend.
Hey, Tuck, how you doing? DJ. And then we're getting Buck down here to drive. Very similar to that.
No. Yeah, it's just chill. It's an otter. It's gonna be bad.
Makes life so much easier and less of a sore alarm.
That is a beautiful.
I already said that.
Or
That's a fish. That's a fish. Yes, sir.
Mount Redoubt, Mount Iliamna, and way back there is Mount Augustine, active volcanoes. And now we're headed home. just got back. Got our limit of fish. This old tractor down here just pulled us out of the water. It's pretty cool how the boats dock on the beach. There's our ride right there. So what you saw there was about 100 pounds of halibut fillets hanging on those hooks. Just an awesome trip. I really want to thank J&J Smart Charters for the trip. The captain, Sarah, she was absolutely amazing, a whole lot of fun, and put us right on the fish. And Adam, the deckhand, goofy guy, the fro is awesome. So anyhow, that was our trip. We'll be cooking those things up this weekend, and I'll have a video ready to rock and roll. So we'll see you then.